Welcome to a Pokemon/sports card show with Stitch and I.
Do you mind if I ask what the goggles are for when you're doing?
To take his eyes,
What's that?
to take his eyes from dirt and debris and stuff.
Oh, I got you,
Just look at how crowded it is. Look at this big crowd. And what a perfect time to perform a crowd control task. Now let's go eat. Just look at this yummy food. And of course my boy laying calmly by my feet. Now let's go home. Look at my sleepy boy. Thanks for watching.